Hi everybody, I'm Aname Villarreal and we will talk about the barriers of controlling. Barriers to successful controlling. Control activities may unnecessarily create an overemphasis on short-term goals, neglecting long-term goals. Kung baga yung mga, kunwari may activities na nagli-lead siya into long-term goals, pero dahil sa control activities is nagiging short-term goals na lang siya. Control activities may frustrate employees by putting a check on their freedom. This type of reaction tends to occur primarily where management exerts too much control. Yung kung baga yung manager ng isang organization is masyadong high yung standards niya to the point na nafo-frustrate na yung mga employees niya, tapos parang nawawalan na sila ng freedom kasi nga masyadong high na yung standards nila, nasasakal na sila sa activities. Control activities may result in manipulations and tampering with the facts. It may encourage falsification of reports. For example, yung manager is syempre sa kanya lahat ipapasa yung mga reports. And then, pwede niya sabihin sa mga board of directors na bumaba yung sales namin this month, ganto ganyan. Pero yung totoo pala is tumaas. Gusto niya lang mangupit. Kayang-kaya niyang gawin yon kasi siya yung nakakakontrol sa mga employees niya, which may be bad in the organization. Control activities may hamper the creativity of the individuals, which ultimately lead to narrowing the perspectives of organizational members. For example, is yung employee is may special talent siya into arts, pero hindi niya pwedeng ipakita yun kasi nga meron silang sinusunod na standards. Parang kung baga if may chance sana na maiwiden yung creativity ng group is hindi mangyayari kasi nga dahil sa control activities. Control activities may not show their effectiveness where proper standards have not been set and faulty evaluation systems are there. So, ibig sabihin nun is, di ba, syempre hindi nila maiwiden yung creativity nila, yung mga talent nila, hindi nila maipakita dahil sa standards. So, hindi rin magiging effective yung mga proper standards na sinet ng manager nila kasi hindi naman na yun maiwawiden, hindi naman na yun mai-improve, yun na lang yun, neutral na lang. Control activities may show their ineffectiveness in an environment where there is fear of discrimination and favorism. Sa control activities, dahil sa control activities na yon, some employees is naipapakita nila na yung ineffectiveness sa organization nila or sa environment. Kasi natatakot na sila dahil sa discrimination and favoritism na naikokos ng control activities. Control activities go against the basic fundamental belief system or ideology of human being, then also they won't be effective. Yung control activities is nagko-contradict dun sa basic fundamental belief system ng employees, dun sa mga cultures nila or paniniwala nila, kaya hindi yun magiging effective sa organization.